Welcome back, friends, to your Techhandy channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to timely get new video updates. In this video we will learn how to create multiple virtual machines using single golden image disk. There are multiple benefits of using such approach. Instead of installing the OS and configuring each VM manually, you can create multiple VMs in minutes. Ensures that all VMs have the same OS, software, settings, and security patches. Helps test different configurations without affecting the base golden image. Using a golden image is a best practice for lab setups, testing, and production environments, making VM management more streamlined and efficient. For this demo I am using fresh installed Windows 11 virtual machine, but the process will be same for all Windows desktops and servers machines. First we will install all pending updates and make our golden image ready. This will help save our time to install Windows updates on clone machines. All required Windows updates has now been installed. Next we perform disk cleanups to keep image light. Click on Windows icon and search for disk cleanup. Select system files and perform cleanups as required. You can also delete temp files. You can make any additional OS level configuration such as firewall or any data cleanup etc. before heading to next step. Please ensure no ISO disk is attached. Further, you can remove the attached CD, DVD device so that will not reflect in clone virtual machines. If required, you can simply add that anytime after as a new device. We are now ready to prepare our golden image. First we will locate Windows built-in tool sysprep under Windows, System 32 folder. Sysprep, which stands for System Preparation, is a Microsoft Windows utility used to prepare a Windows installation for cloning, imaging, and deployment. It removes unique system information, such as computer name, security identifiers, SIDs, and driver-specific settings, allowing the system to be used as a golden image for creating multiple virtual machines, VMs, or physical computers. Right-click and run as administrator. Make sure to select System Cleanup Action as Enter System Out-of-the-Box Experience. The out-of-box experience is the first-time setup process that runs when Windows boots after installation or after using sysprep. It prepares the system for end users by allowing them to configure initial settings. Ensure Generalize must be checked. The Generalize option in sysprep removes system-specific data from a Windows installation, making it ready for cloning and deployment. It ensures that each new machine created from the same golden image has a unique identity instead of being an exact duplicate. Make sure to select Shutdown for shutdown option, and machine must not be powered on if this machine will be used as golden image to create more virtual machines. It will take 5 to 10 minutes and machine will shut down upon completion. You can perform same action using following command using CMD. Make sure to open command prompt as administrator if wish to using command line method. Now let's create more virtual machines using same golden image disk. Open directory of virtual machine. Enable file extensions checkbox to view file extensions. From all listed machine files, we will require .vmdk disk file and .vmx machine configuration file. For safe side and for future multiple virtual machines creation, you can copy them into separate folder. That will keep golden image save and not impact if the actual golden image machine powered on accidentally. Or even we don't need that machine to be powered off after making copy of it. You can use that machine as normal machine. You can review configuration file which we need to make changes later. On main virtual machines directory, create folders for new machines and name them according to your environment need. The folder names must be unique. For demonstration, I am creating 2 folders, but you can create based on how many machines you want to create. The same names will be reflect as your new machine name under VMware Workstation. Now let's copy the files from Golden Image Machine folder to the new machines folders. I am creating one machine only, but you can follow same steps for other machines creation. Once both files copied, you must need to rename them as your new machine. You can provide same name as we assign to the folders. Make sure file extensions remain same. Next, we need to change name under configuration file as well. Just simply do find old machine name and replace all with new machine name using Notepad. Make sure to save the file after making changes. Follow the same steps for all new machines. Now let's import new machine to the VMware Workstation. Click on File from the top menu bar, then select Open. Browse to the New Machine folder and select configuration.vmx file to import the machine. As you can see, machine is now imported with the name that we have provided. You can make any additional configuration changes if needed, otherwise just power on the machine. For the pop-up message, just select I moved it. VMware Workstation will create additional required dependent files under the same new folder. Your new machine is now ready and starts as a fresh install and allow you to configure initial settings again, but you will not need to install VMware tools or Windows updates this time. You can provide Microsoft account or just skip by following screen steps. As you can see, Windows already has latest updates and we don't need to update again. I hope you find this video informative. Please follow, like and subscribe for more technical guides.